So my area of expertise is biophotonics. As the word says, it's a mixture of disciplines. So it's a mixture of sciences from virology, photonics, biology, biochemistry, chemistry, physics, optics. So we mix everything.
So I'm trained as a chemist and I studied also biology earlier on. But what I do right now is nanomedicine.
So my areas of expertise are understanding molecular biology-based techniques to understand diseases and looking at the immunology of different types of diseases.
My area of expertise, I'll say it's cell biology because that's what I've worked on for the longest time, where I work a lot with cell culture.
So my work at the CSIR entails photonics diagnostics. So we are diagnosing different microorganisms from HIV to TB to COVID using lasers. The technology we are using actually detects both communicable as well as non-communicable diseases.
So currently here at the biophotonics group, what I do is to use the nanotechnology to improve our laser-based diagnostic tools. We use nanoparticles to make the diagnostic tools more precise or be able to detect diseases faster and to actually know the stage or the state of the disease.
I'm working on 2 projects. The first one is on TB, so we are trying to develop a photonic-based biosensor. So my second project is on HIV, so we're trying to develop a technique that will be able to identify those cells that are hiding within the body.
At the moment, I'm working on 2 projects. The first project, I am working on mammalian cells with SARS-CoV-2, that is the virus that causes COVID-19. And the second project that I'm working on is on optical biosensors.
I usually say the best would be my PhD. So my PhD in laser physics, and I've got personal reasons for that. So that's my highest excitement.
My career highlights have been just being able to contribute to the scientific world in the sense that I'm able to produce real life products that can go into the market.
Obviously, as a scientist, you want to see yourself publishing. It's always a highlight, seeing your work being recognized and being awarded for such. Seeing my student graduate and they pass really very well.
For me, it was a dream come true to work for the CSIR, even though I really never thought I would do a PhD, but yeah, I finally did, and yeah, those are the highlights really for me.
Try to diversify, try to put your feelers in different directions, and if something doesn't work out, it's not the end of the world.
And if this 16-year-old were me, I'd definitely say choose science. It's your passion, because if you're passionate about what you're doing, you're really going to see your career through. You won't give up.
My advice would be just believe in yourself and be more assertive, because once you put in the hard work, everything else will just follow.
Be open-minded. Don't close yourself off. Just say, you know what, opportunities can come from everywhere, from anywhere.